Welcome to lesson 2.3. This is a lesson on functions, which we already have been studying. So there's not too much that's new today. You already know the definition for a function, and the book says that a function is a pairing of two sets of numbers so that to each number in the first set there corresponds exactly one number in the second set. Now, I try to shorten that for you and just say that for every x, there is only one y. That seems to be the shortest and easiest way to say that. Having said that, however, all the functions that we've dealt with so far have had a formula. And if you look in your book, let's see if I can stick mine right there, you'll see this lovely runner dude, which is Roger Bannister, and he was running a mile in less than 4 minutes. And then on this side of the page, you see years ranging from 1870 to 1970, and then the record times for those years. And when those are plotted on a graph, they look like this, which represents a function, because there is only one y for every single x. But then they also suggest that if you took the record time and put that on the x-axis and put the years on the y-axis, well, suddenly you would have two record times that are the same, 416, which means that for 416 you would have two y values, 1900 and 1910. So in that case, it would not be a function because it doesn't follow the rules. Now, having said all of that, formulas are not necessary. For instance, in the facts about the running of the mile, those are just facts, data that was given. There's no formula for figuring out, how fast someone is going in a given year. But if you do have a formula, such as we've had in class, then you want to graph using that formula. And you simply use that formula to make a table, as we've done. And then to graph it, you use that table to graph. And you use your x points and your y points, and I think you guys have established that you know how to graph doing that. Okay, this is a picture of a function. For every x point, there is only one y. This is also a picture of a function. For every x, there's only one y. Let's see if I can separate my pages. This is also a half of a smiley face. Okay, it's also a picture of a function. Okay, it looks like a lot of different things. This, however, is not a function because you can see for this x, there's multiple y's, and that is not possible, as well as for this one. For this x, there's two y's. For this x, there's two y's, and so therefore, it is not a function. So today, you're going to be just doing more problems like you have been doing, using some formulas and plotting and using the formulas to figure out the tables. And you're going to have a great time doing it. Thanks. Bye.